Hello everyone, I'm Krishna Kulkarni and today I'm going to present in front of you the topic on my internship placement at Adipriya Hospitality Services. The Adipriya Hospitality Services is basically a catering based company and it provides catering and delivery services to most of the companies around the vicinity of the industrial area. It is primarily based in Navi Mumbai city in Maharashtra state, India. Some of the companies which Adipriya Hospitality Services provides catering services are Pune Institute of Technology, Chembond, Excel Dynamic Private Limited, Cognizant Technology Solutions, etc. And this company is owned by Mr. Vinod Shetty and the co-owner is Krishnaraj Shetty. The process of enrollment was basically an interview which included my inquiry about my background studies, my current program I've been enrolled in, my home address, the mode of transportation, also my working hours, and my personal health status. After which, when I was selected, I was received with an approval form from them. These are my five goals, uh, uh, which I'll be discussing in my further slide in detail. These goals I wanted to accomplish after my internship gets over, and I successfully in completion of all these goals one by one. The goal one was basically to get knowledge in systematic listing and planning out the menus which would be nutritious, healthy, and also favored by the clients. This also would be useful as it would be suitable with regard to the daily needs, and I would plan the menu with varieties of dishes without compromising with the health. The menu planning was carried out each in a systematic way and also was being followed meticulously. The menu was prepared beforehand and also included a whole day, schedule for the breakfast, lunch, evening dinner, uh, evening snacks, and then dinner. My goal too was basically to get exposure to the procedures of ordering the inventory, stocking them, and also assessing the reliability of the sources. This would keep a check on the regular inflow of the food items. The order and then would be placed as per the requirements, and thus avoiding stockpiling and wastage. And the reliable source uh, was assured to maintain the quality. And the inventory, when it reached the source, like from the source, when it reached the workstation, was treated with a sanitizing solution to avoid the any sort of contamination to take place, and they were later stored in dry storage unit area, cold storage unit area, and also in the freezer with proper temperatures of storage. And my goal three was basically to improve my soft skill and with the staff, and also to get exposure to the working environment and to gain professionalism and to learn ethics being followed while working with the staff. And also these goals were to improve improve my interpersonal relationship with the staff and also maintain cordial relationship with the staff. uh, my interaction with the co-workers also was on a regular basis, which helped me solve various queries, also developed me professionally. The interpersonal relationship with staff and keeping cordial relationship helped me also accomplish my goals of developing soft skills, as I said. And also it improved my reputation in the company. And my goal four was basically to learn to interact with the clients while performing, while providing services, and also thus gaining respect and confidence from them. Uh, this helped me feel comfortable, and a consistent and satisfactory service would also, by the course of time, gain trust in them and also confidence in me. And by maintaining consistency in the service, also and bring out satisfactory results was my main goal, and I could make the work hassle free, with which would encourage them to make further deals with the company without any hesitation in future. My goal 5 was basically to get hands-on training on various procedures being followed as per the legislations and concern to sanitation, hygiene, and also safety practices being followed in the food sector, such as food handling, preparation, equipment handling. This would provide me exposure to the safety procedures and also useful in the future when I go in any other company. And by this I could get hands-on training and which was being followed in terms of sanitation, uh, and thus I would get exposure to the safety procedures which were being performed in the organization. And I would like in the future, whichever company I would be working in, the hazards would be prevented. uh, and further decision would be the placement has provided me with helping hand to make the further decisions to work in any food sector agencies and under quality supervision to provide quality results. Being in the post of quality supervisor, my job could be filled with challenges and responsibilities, which I would be eagerly looking forward to take up in my future career. And this placement opportunity, in turn, has provided me with confidence to work in any catering unit in the future, and also made me well versed with the process right from ordering inventory to storage, preparation, packaging, and delivery. And also my interest towards the food processing planning also increased greatly, which made me confident enough to apply for further industries in my career. And my recommendations would to any intern would be looking for the placement to be willing to work the basics the basics of how the industry works, and which and preparation of food for large amount of large group of people. And this and also like second I would recommend him to look forward to um, approach the co-workers without any hesitation, and they'll be willing to assist you. Also, go and interact with the supervisor and show enthusiasm for the work and show keenness in learning and gain knowledge as far as possible. And at the last, I would like to say a quote, which is, cooking is an art, but all art requires knowing something about the techniques and material, which was said by Nathan Meyerwald. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.